Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels to watch out for. Market reminds that trend is your friend. Go with the trend. And Nifty continues its upward territory, holding on to the supports of 21,500 and breaking the levels of 21,700 zones. Bank Nifty too held on to the supports of 47,300, gapped up and continues its upward territory and closed around 48,200 above 48,000 zones, which is a positive sign. The advance decline ratio was positive, number of advances outperforming the number of declines. The market breadth was absolutely positive. Dear investors, great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions for long-term portfolio. Add quality stocks to your long-term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope our updates is helping the investors and traders in taking their investing and trading decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you're watching our channel for the first time, do hit the subscribe button for market updates and interesting insights. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.